Presenting the 2008 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.